Hello and welcome to another episode of Bella's Hat. Just to recap what's been going on this week in the United Kingdom. We've had numerous protests across the country with trans people voicing their concerns and protesting at the Supreme Court's ruling. And rightly so, because I do not think that this is a right judgment. I think I did voice this previously on a previous episode. If there is no trans representation in a court case, I do not think that it is a fair ruling. But anyways, let's get on with what's been going on, shall we? We have the Equalities Minister saying that they want to make it far clearer as to what the rules imply about having segregated toilets. To me, and I will give you my opinion, this is segregation. This is having a very causative, I would say more like divisive. It's extremely divisive rather than providing any clarity whatsoever. Even I am fearful of going into female toilets because I don't know whether I'm going to be told off or not, even though I've got my yeah, but anyways, it's making me feel very, very uncomfortable. I don't think that this helps anyone within the trans community. Oh, it's not just people from the trans community. We're also seeing people from lesbians and they don't conform to the feminine look. And they are also having problems accessing their own toilets. So this is why I think that it's also an own goal, which doesn't really help anyone. And yes, we are also seeing groups such as the Good Law Project. And I think they're good. They are going to be doing a very good job at this. And I'm happy to mention them in my channel because we need people like them. We need people who will fight our corner. We are only like 1% of the country. So ministers are like, let's not focus about housing. Let's not focus about, people, who claim benefits. Let's not bother about people with healthcare needs. Let's pick on the trans people. They are a danger to our country. And it's like, me? A danger? Me? What have I done? I'm just existing. And the ministers are like, trans people. Let's cause some chaos. That's what they're saying. And they are segregating us. They are causing more divisions rather than uniting people. And we also have a turncoat in our midst. Yes, he did say this. But anyways, my point is, the wolf is at the gates. We cannot trust politicians anymore. And we have to be on guard. We are now seeing the fastest erosion of LGBT and human rights. And I am scared, but I'm hopeful at the same time because we've got people standing with us. We have people who have the skills, who have the knowledge to fight our corner. And this is what we need. We need more people to stand with us. We need more people to understand what is going on, to understand the issues, and not to be, I would say, blasé with what is going on. We need everyone to be vigilant, because today you might have your freedoms, but tomorrow they can be taken away, just like that, at the flick of a pen. And that is what's happened in the United Kingdom. I am from a place called Gibraltar, And I have been warning my friends, I've been warning family members about this problem that we're having. I have never, ever thought in a million years that this would happen in such a progressive country. And I am ashamed to be a British citizen. To me, a British citizen means being tolerant. It's about tolerance. And our leaders have not shown that. They have not demonstrated in being tolerant. All they are doing is causing disruption, chaos. And that's the word, chaos. I mean, if you see protests being spawned across the country, there is a problem. We do have a problem. And that is why we're seeing people protesting against this ruling. Our human rights are being taken away from us in existing. It's just as simple as using toilet facilities. It's having a detrimental impact. I mean, I just want to go to a toilet just to have a piss. Nothing more, nothing less. And maybe just wash my hands. That's it. And I'm scared to actually go there. If it's not in the gym, it's in a restaurant, it's in a public toilet. So yeah, I think education does go a long way, and we need to let people know that this is really impacting people like us. So, like I said, the wolf is at our gates. It's there, and we need to watch our backs, because like I said, tomorrow you might not have the same freedoms that you enjoy today. Feel free to drop a comment, like and subscribe, share, and let me know what else you would like to see. Until then, take care.